Yo, what's up guys? Cameron here. I haven't made a video in like 3 weeks, but this is the blizzard that we just had. It happened yesterday, and here it is right now. It's like 20 degrees outside. It's really cold, but here's a look at it. I know I haven't made like a game video in a while, but I'm gonna try to make one this week because I'm out of school this week too. So here's a look. It is a bunch of snow. As you can see, my dad and I, we made a path through here for the truck. And there's all the snow right there. Probably like 2 feet high over there. That snowdrift right there. About 4 feet, 5 feet. So here, that is ice right there. Here it is out in the street. Yeah, it was pretty bad. It's windy. It's still kind of windy right now. It's really like 21 out here, but to me it feels like 15.